Oh!
Take cover.
Whee!
Hey.
Right.
Another one.
Not an old man.
Phew. Woo!
Stinks.
He's off!
Ooh.
Pretty lights. Oh, it's a bit of a choker.
Quick, Jules! Oh, I like that
That's a
one.
big one.
It's when they go and they go boom. It's quite exciting, isn't it? Boom.
How many is that? 3?
Yeah.
This is number 4 going on.
I heard that, Joe.
No.
Oh.
Quick, Jules, quick!
Oh.
The girls will love you doing this for them if you did it over at theirs.
I did think so.
Mm.
But why should I do it? Not me.
Mm. But they'd love it though, it is quite exciting.
Ooh.
Hey.
Is this the last one?
No.
What? You got hundreds.
It's 10.
10?
Yeah.
I
Right.
thought you said 6.
1 minute. Yeah. 4 more.
Blimey.
Can't see.
Oh.
It might help if you put the light on the steps for your brother. Let John come up with the light before you.
Yeah, I know.
You always turn it off and he has to stagger up wet stairs in the dark. Oh, Dave!
Oh, oh, isn't that lovely?
Whew.
It's a bit smoky. But you're looking to the light.
No, you horrible pig.
Whoosh. Oh, lovely.
I think this is the last one.
Last one.
I think. Oh. Oh no, I lied.
You got a cheeky surprise.
2.
Oof. Exciting.
Where's yours?
Mine's over on the deck.
On a baking tray.
Yeah. How much of that fuse you got left?
Yeah, I was loads.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
nice.
good.
Let's check.
I like the ones that look like sperms, don't they?
Yes, you do, yeah.
Last one. Oh. Oh, hey.
Your little smiley face. Oh,
Hey.
There we are.
Well, there we are.
right.
Well done.
Aid's got his Bombay Birdball.
Oh, there's loads left, isn't
Yeah. I'm going to stand there first.
Yeah, whereabouts is it?
Where is it? Oh yeah, so it's probably going to be, I'm going to stand up here. Oh my god. Is he filming? Ah.
You had a look at that.
Hey, well done. Fabulous.